Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I have finally completed my design team project for Carrie Ann, who is Shabby Art Boutique. And what I made here is a gatefold folder with pockets and flip pages. I used the December digital kit collection called Vintage Love to create this gorgeous project here that I've got in front of me. And it is available now at Carrie Ann's Etsy store. It is a gorgeous kit with lovely soft pinks and very shabby, just beautiful. And I also use the free mini digital kit that coordinates with the Vintage Love collection that is available if you want to print out the free mini kit, which is at Shabby Art Boutique's website, and you get 4 pages. So let me just show you. I've got 2 pages here. The other free printable is in the project, which I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the images that you can fussy cut, and you can print as many as you like for your personal use, or if you would like to gift your projects. Just beautiful. I mean, look at these. I love the pinks. And this is one of the background pages with this beautiful lady in the front with some roses in the background. And I did make a little mini slim folder with with this page here, and it just opens up with these 2 pockets, which you have probably seen around in a lot of seen these around. But I think I'm going to make this into a journal, into a slim journal, which when I finish I'll show you how it looks like, because I also have another video that I want to show you with some of the embellishments that I've made using the same Vintage Love collection that I'm going to add to the surprise outgoing Happy Mail, where I made these gorgeous shabby mini file folder journals, which I had shared with you. These will be, I'm going to gift these as a surprise to 2 of my subscribers, and they don't know that I'm sending these to them. And I've just finished the embellishments using the kit, and I can't wait to share with you what I will be adding to the journals as their gifts. So I just thought I'd just show you the mini kit. So let me go ahead and show you the gatefold folder. I'll also give you the measurements and how I made this as well, if you have this, if you decide to print the mini kit as well, and I'll do that in my next video. But let me go ahead and give you a flip through of this really lovely gatefold folder with all these pockets and flip pages. So this is the this is one of the flip pages, and I just love this image. I mean, I'm not too sure about this these flat back pearls that I placed here. It might grow on me. I just wanted to minimal decorating. I didn't want to distract the image on this side, so I just did that. And then I did some stitching around the panels, and then on this side here I added a pocket. This pocket here is in the digital. You just cut it out and then assemble the pocket, and it comes with a tag. But in front of the actual pocket I added the one of the, like, the little label cutter parts. So I placed that in the front with one of the word sentiments that also comes in the kit. You get a full sheet of all of these words, which is also perfect for Valentine's. So there is that little pocket in the front, and I did add some tulle in the back, so that just to decorate the front of the actual pocket. And then I had some scrap papers, and I just did some collaging and layering and made a small tag. And I might do a process video on how I make these as well. I think these are really great if you have a lot of leftover scrap papers from your digitals, and you can make one of these. So I might do a process video on that. So this is the pocket. It's like a tag pocket, and then there is a tag that also comes in the kit, which will fit in this pocket tag, and you just cut it and assemble it, and it's just a perfect little fit. And I thought that worked well on this side, and it just fit it perfectly. And then I've got this word sentiment, forever, which is part of the free kit, and that's this one here. That's that word there. So I just place that on the bottom And I just did some distressing and frayed it with my scissors, added a little music sheet, a scrap piece of paper there to just lift up the colour a little bit. And then it opens up on this side, and I made a little journal, and I just made a little clip with some cotton fabric just to hold the little mini journal that I made. Isn't she just adorable? Look how cute she is. And I just thought that was just a perfect little image to put in the front of this doily journal that I made. And then I did some layering behind the image with different papers, embossed paper, some stamped paper, some cheesecloth, and then I've got some string here with some beads to decorate the hinge bit. And so you just open this up, and I tea stain dyed all of the papers. This is a cupcake holder, and then these are just some of the papers that I had torn and then just made it to fit inside the cupcake size, and added some of this parchment paper. We all love that sound. And then this is another one of the printables in the collection, so I just tore that and placed that in there. And then this is the middle, this is the larger size tag. I placed that in the center, and then that's the same printable page, and some more of the parchment paper. And then this here is a side tuck pocket, and I just made a cute, another one of the similar embellishments with this pretty lady on the front. It's just so pretty, and that fits in there. And I'll do a process video on one of these as well, because I did make a little kit to make one of these journals, which I can't wait also to share with you all my new listings that I'll have in my Etsy store of wonderful paper packs and some of these gorgeous little kits for you to make yourself. So I'll do a tutorial and as well and show you how I made one of these. So that's that. And then I layered some bows. I think this smaller bow, I resized this one using the elements file. In the kit there is an elements file folder where you can resize your images to whatever size you like. So I did that, and just to finish the blank background. So that's that side. And then we saw this part here, and then you flip this open this way, and then I also added another paper clip, which I made a cute little dangle, and I thought this is really pretty. Some crystals and tassels. And then this is like a little flip page with just some of the scrap papers from the collection. I didn't want to waste it, and I thought this was just another little extra that you could add if you have some of your leftover scrap papers. And I kept it together with one of the tags. So this is the little tag that you get in the kit. I think this one is a medium-sized tag. And what I'd done was I just stacked the papers together. I folded the tag sort of over just a little bit, and then I stapled the stacks of paper to the back, folded that down. And then this one here is the image here that was from the free printable, and I just sort of cut this part out, and then I had that one and placed that on the front of that tag part. So didn't want to waste anything, so that was just another way to create that. And then I had this part here, which I'll show you where I placed this part, which will be in here. So then I've got this gorgeous image here, and that is this image here from the free printable. And I just cut that around, I distressed it, and then I added one of the file tabs that also comes in the kit, and that flips over that way. And then this is where I placed the extra piece, which was that other part. So I placed that on the back of the image, and then I did add some background paper to the white part of the image there. So I just glued this side down and glued this side down to create a tuck pocket. So, or like a belly band. And then I made a little shaker. And this was really fun to make. And I did make a couple more of these to add to the free, or to the gift that I'm going to send off with these. So I made 2 more of these to add to the gift, so they could use this in their projects. You can make it into a tag. You can add it to a cover of a journal or a card. So these are, again, the printables. And I just placed that in there. So that was really cute. And then this is also another little shaker, the smaller size, and another word sentiment. And then I just added some trim and some lace just to the back of the bingo card. And then that flips that way. And I've placed this image again, which she is just so cute. Look at her cheeks. So then I made it into a side tuck pocket with one of the other images, and then just backed it to one of the background papers, and I just distressed it with Tim Holtz vintage photo ink. So just to shabby that up, and then added one of my ruffle trims, and this is available in my shop. And I just trimmed it down because if you do purchase it in my shop, it is wider, the ruffle, and I just made it a little bit smaller. And so that fits in there. So that was lovely. That was cute to make. And then here is a little tag, which also comes from the free printable, which is this one. So it's a nice large size too. And you can make that into a tag and punch a hole and add some trim, or make it into a side tuck pocket in one of your journal pages. And there is a clip here that I also just added some leftover lace that I had. And then this is one of the envelopes that also comes in the kit. And you just flip that way. And I just made that into a pocket with an embellishment that I also had made. And this is in the collection, Vintage Love collection. Fussy cut that out, and again did some distressing, and added a heart that I resized from the Elements file. Added some lace, and this is just an embossed pink paper. And then I backed it with another of the background papers here, just to tidy up the back part where I did some layering, and it's a little satin bow. So this is really cute. Love this. And that fitted perfectly in there. And then I've just had some leftover vellum laying around on my desk, which then I thought I just added in here to create a flip page and just to decorate the folder. And I stamped this with one of my stamps. And I used Memento's Cocoa. Let me see what colour it is. If I got it. I think it's by Memento Cocoa. It's like a brown colour. I can't remember. But yeah, I just stamped that just to coordinate with the soft browns in the printable. So that flips there. And then these are the 2 pockets that come in the kit. And then you just cut it out and then assemble the pockets. And then I place it on the back. And up the top here, I've got some mini file folders. These are the smaller size that you get. So these are the smaller size. And then this is the larger size file folder, which you can't tell, but that's the larger size. And so this is the smaller one. It's so cute. And then, you know, it's a great little spot for some writing, or you want to write your message. And this is one of the vintage camera, which is from the free printable, which is that one. So I just thought I'd pop that one in here for now. And then this is the other pocket down the bottom here. And I place one of the tags. And this is a cute little mini envelope which I resized from the Elements file, and I've just popped in here the other little ephemera pieces from the free printable. I'll just grab these out so you can see. So these are these two little circle pieces that says love. So that's those two. So I pretty much used everything on here. I placed them inside the file, the gatefold folder. And then these are some of the hearts that you get in the kit collection. So I thought I'll just place them in here as well. And it's a cute little envelope. So that's that. And I'll just flip this around. So let me just show you again how it looks like. So that's the folder. And then so that just goes like that, and then that goes like that, that goes like that, and that goes like that, and that goes like that. And there is your folder, everything compact inside. So I'm just going to open this up. I'm just going to turn this around this way to the back. So this piece here is the free printable that comes with this set. So you'll get this piece. So it's actually one piece, and then you'll get these two pieces, and then the fourth free printable is this white polka dot with a pink background. So I just cut it out to fit in this panel, so you get this full pattern piece in the kit. So that's the 4 pages or the 4 the 4 papers that come in the free kit. So I'd managed to fit everything in here from the free kit, so I didn't waste anything. I also then made this cute little folder, and I will give you the measurements on how to make this if you wanted to make one of those. I'll do that in my next video. But yeah, so I thought I'll share with you my design team project. Let me just put this away. So it is available now, and you can make a lot of things. I might even show you the measurements of how I put the gatefold folder as well together with this one. So I hope you enjoyed my project share for my design team for Kerry Ann and Shabby Art Boutique. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.